Welcome this video outdoor privacy idea create a structure and provide outdoor space is essential for relax and personal enjoyment, whether you have a experience backyard is smart patio or a balcony. Add enhancement that enhance privacy can transforming your outdoor area into a tranquil retreat. Here are some create and functional outdoor privacy idea to help you embrace schedule and avoid space privacy fence, a classic and effect away to create privacy is by install a fence. There are various materials to choose for in carbon, wood fence, often a natural and rustic appear, provide both privacy and aesthetic charm. Wood fence often are natural and rustic bear provide both privacy and aesthetic charm. Traditional solar panel fence or hormones salt design for a modern touch.